Hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to my channel, welcome, but my name is Tika and today I have in fact decided to come and review a brand new unit that is by Outre. They had decided to ask me to review some brand new Outre units, and these new units are pertaining to the Neesha wig. If you ladies are familiar, or if you're not familiar with Outre Neesha wig, every lady, auntie, mama, grandma, everybody actually went crazy over that unit. It's a part of the Soft and Natural collection. That's the name of the collection that they recently just launched out. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this wig review because girl, I am really excited. Like, I'm really excited. I cannot wait. Alright ladies, so here is the unit that I'll be reviewing. This is the Outre Neesha Soft and Natural Lace Front Wig, and the style that I will be reviewing is Neesha 203. Go ahead and do an unboxing video of this brand new wig. You're gonna see if Outre did it with this new Neesha Soft and Natural line, because girl, you better get your life. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start taking all the packaging out of this unit. This unit comes with your 3 standard wig clips, 2 right here in the front, 1 in the back, and also it have your adjustable wig straps. This is pretty much what the hairline of this unit look like. It looks really good. Ladies, so here we go. We are gonna go ahead and start putting this unit on. All right, so this is pretty much what the unit looks like, and this is pretty much without even like cutting the lace off this unit. And this is what the hairline of this unit looked like. It looked really good. They most definitely did do a good job on their hairline. And their original Outre Neesha wig, I remember that it was full of volume, like it was a lot of hair. And I can tell you right now that they most definitely did thin this unit out a lot, okay? Now this unit looks really good. Now the texture of this unit feels very natural and it's really soft. It doesn't feel like you know, rugged and rough, like a rough texture. It's really soft and it's a natural texture, but it's really soft, okay? So you know, keep that in mind. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off this unit, so I'll be right back. All right ladies, so I have just gotten done cutting the lace off of this unit. Y'all look at this hairline. So the hairline will most definitely need to be so the hairline will most definitely need some powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some powder onto the front of the lace, just so it won't be, you know, too light. Take this palette right here, and I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this right here on the front of the lace so it could blend in really good. Now keep in mind that if you do decide that, keep in mind that when you do wear this unit out, that the sides will probably need to be sprayed down, or you could probably like use like a bobby pin or something and kind of just, you know, do the sides down just so it could be a lot, you know, just so it could be a lot more secured. Now I'm gonna also go ahead and add some powder right here to the parting space. I'm probably gonna go ahead and kind of pluck the hairline just a little bit. So yeah, so I'll be right back. I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this hairline just a little bit and I'll be right back. I did not actually pluck the hairline. I actually just went in and put like the lighter shade on my palette and on my eyeshadow palette. This color right here. I actually went in with this shade and I put it right there in the parting space because I realized, like, hey, Tika, you don't need to be doing that. The parting space already look bomb, so why are you trying to pluck the hairline? Girl, I don't know. I was just trying to be extra, okay? Sorry. Alright, so you most definitely can add heat onto this unit. It says it's up to 400 degrees, so we're going to go ahead and do a little heat test and add a little bit of heat onto this unit. So if you want to add, you know, heat onto this unit, we're going to see how well this unit takes heat. All right, so we're going to go ahead and add some heat right here just to kind of lay this part flat as possible. See how flat that is now on this side? It's flatter now. Kind of switch this unit and kind of shift it. So if you want to wear this unit as a set, she's looking really cute. Like, girl, like Anisha, like, why are you coming to slay, girl, before the holidays? Why are you coming to slay? Okay, like, if you want to wear it on as a side part, you most definitely can. This is actually worn on my left side, shifted as a right side part. Let me see how she looks. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a heat test on this unit, just to kind of see how well this unit takes heat. Now it does say that you most definitely can add heat up to 400 degrees on this unit, and here I am. I just have my flat iron on 390, so we're gonna go ahead and see how well this unit takes heat. So if you want to if you kind of want to go ahead and add heat onto this unit, we're gonna go ahead and see how well this unit takes some heat. Okay, all right, so we can go ahead and do, it takes heat very, very good. Girl, I'm sorry, like, either way it goes. Without the heat, she looked bomb. With the heat, she looked bomb. The color looked bomb. The hairline looked bomb. The parting looked bomb. Like, Outre, you did a phenomenal job doing this wig. Like, you guys did an outstanding job bringing back this Outre Neesha wig. They're most definitely gonna love this one because I love this one a lot. Like, I really do. Because, like I said, the last Outre, the other Neesha wig was very, very full and thick. They gonna really love this one after you guys have come back and redo the whole Neesha wig. They gonna love this wig. Like, they are really, really gonna love it. And the color combination, y'all, look at this color combination. It is phenomenal. It looks really, really bomb, huh? Look at that. Look at it. All right, ladies, so that is all for my wig review today. I really do love this unit a lot. Shout out to Outre for sending me out this unit to come and review for you ladies. Like, y'all don't know how happy and excited I am to review this unit. Out of 10, I give this unit a freaking 10 because, like, y'all, I think this has to be the bombest wig that I reviewed this year. Like, I think Outre, congratulations Outre, y'all have done it. Y'all did an outstanding job bringing to us the most bombest wig of 2019. I love this unit so much that it's probably gonna make me cry. It could probably make me cry. Like, it could probably make me cry. Anyways, y'all leave y'all comments in the comment section below. Please leave your thoughts and your opinions about how you feel about this unit. I'm not really too sure if this unit is still in stock with elevatestyles.com, but if it is still in stock with elevatestyles.com, make sure you go ahead over to elevatestyles.com. And Barb, thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure you like, comment, most definitely subscribe, and hit that notification bell because right after this video, girl, I got another bomb Neesha wig to review for you ladies. I will see you ladies in my next video.